Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to enable camera permissions on the Facebook app for PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you're trying to go live, video chat with friends, or use the camera for other features, it's important to make sure Facebook has permission to access your device's camera. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this through the Microsoft Store version of the app or any standalone installation you may have. Once you're inside the app, locate the three dots at the top of the page. They're generally positioned in the top right corner. Click on them to open a drop-down menu with more options. From that menu, look for the option that says App Info and click on it. This will take you directly into the settings page, specifically for the Facebook app on your PC. You should now see a variety of settings that you can control. And the one we're interested in today is camera access. Scroll through the available settings until you find the section labeled Permissions, or simply look for the camera icon. When you find it, click on it. You'll likely see a simple toggle or switch option to turn camera access on or off. Go ahead and enable it by switching the toggle to the on position. Once that's done, Facebook will have the access it needs to use your PC's camera whenever necessary. You won't have to worry about connection issues the next time you try to hop on a video call or go live. As always, it's a good idea to restart the app after making changes to ensure everything updates properly. Simply close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. And that's it. You've just enabled camera permissions on your Facebook app for PC. Easy, right? If this helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.